Hi, this is Brianna with journal number 1 for EDAD 606. After reviewing the learning objectives and standards, I feel it applies to my current situation as my district is in the process of an administration change. We had a new superintendent start in January, and things are starting to shift around. New policies, procedures are being put into place that is trickling down to the school sites and to teachers and seeing a full leadership change. I think that it'll be interesting to take what we are learning in this course and look at the administration changes in my district through that lens and see how people are managing the situations, how people are handling the situations, and how new leadership is taking effect. What leadership theories are they using, and what is their role in leading our district? I think it applies to my future role as an educational administrator about knowing how to lead in times of trouble and also in good times. Knowing that there's different ways to lead when things are going well versus when there are times of trouble and things aren't going so well, and how a leader needs to change their way of leading to lead effectively. The concerns I have after reviewing the assignments are just being able to utilize other people in assignments. We have so many things on our plate right now with coming up to spring break, state testing, and end of the year, and being able to find other teachers and staff members free time in their schedules to help me out with assignments. Overall, what I'm looking to get out of this course is to deepen my understanding of leadership and how to be a leader in different times. I am currently the leader of many committees on my site, and I want to be able to lead them more effectively so that we can see more change and be more productive on our school site. Also, being the admin designee for my site, I am in a leadership position when I am acting as principal, and most of the teachers will come to me even when I'm not as principal, asking me questions as they feel I might know the information. And I want to be able to be that kind of backup leader for my site right now. And I want to be able to learn more information on how to be the best leader I can be, even when I'm only acting as administrator, as leader part-time.